This video covers the financials of Intel's three main businesses over the last 3 years. First, Intel's PC business was still benefiting from the COVID-19 tailwind at the end of 2021 and beginning of 2022. However, an industry-wide semiconductor downturn started in Q2 2022. This was exacerbated by excessive inventory that was built up at Intel's customers. The bottom of this downturn occurred in Q1 2023, and there has been a steady recovery since as the inventory was cleared and PC demand saw an uptick again. For 2024, Intel is expected a continued recovery, especially in the second half of the year due to demand for the AI PC and Windows end-of-life refresh. Secondly, the Data Center and AI Group, which also includes its FPGA division that was recently renamed back to Altera. This business has likewise been affected by the downturn in addition to continued competition from AMD and to some extent perhaps ARM. As such, this group has not seen a recovery in demand yet. Intel said it saw stable market share in Q4 2023 and expects this to continue. However, Intel is still waiting for its upcoming Sierra Forest and Granite Rapids CPUs to really improve its competitive position. Nevertheless, Intel does expect growth in 2024 already due to Sapphire and Emerald Rapids. While Intel expects roughly flat units, Intel is seeing a rise in core count and stable price per core, driving revenue higher. Lastly, the Network and Edge Group is seeing exactly the same downturn trend as its two other businesses, but shifted later in time since early 2023. Therefore, the recovery will likely also take a bit longer. Overall, the downturn has caused a significant reduction in revenue. This has challenged Intel's ambitious turnaround plan. As a reaction, Intel divested or shut down over 10 adjacent businesses as part of a $3 billion cost reduction plan that caused a 10K reduction in employee count. Intel had also announced ambitious fab build-out plans, including in Ohio, Arizona, and Germany. These will likely see delays as Intel is not seeing the demand it had originally expected and will therefore not need as much fab capacity. Meanwhile, it will still take years to ramp the customers of its new foundry business. Such a delay has already been confirmed for the new Ohio fabs, although Intel did say last year it was accelerating the build out of its two new Arizona fabs due to getting a prepayment from an 18A foundry customers. These will bring the total to 6 Arizona fabs. While it briefly may have looked like Intel was collapsing, the recovery is already underway with further year-on-year growth expected going forward. But it will probably still take years before achieving a new revenue record.